and top all of them and cure them for about 15 seconds. But it's just a Hi Livers, how are you? 15 seconds only. I have few colors of my chromes right here. And this is a blue, so I'm gonna using deep sea blue. Right, so now before I move to the next one, I am going to, if you want any stickers, anything on it, you can put it on. It's really cool and stunning. I am going to put another coat of the top coat and key it for as 30 seconds. Move into the next one. This one is a top coat again, here for 15 seconds. And this one I'm gonna leave it there so using on the chamfer foil. And I get this cute chamfer foil to playing with in a little bit. Also this one the same thing at 15 seconds. The top coat. And I have the pink right here. I am going to using luxury violet. After 15 seconds for the top coat, so I'm using a violet right there. Super cute, and like making the effects like a rose gold, because I have the gold, the pink underneath. So if you're doing hot pink, it will give you a little bit of effects underneath. So now top coat again and key for 30 seconds. Hi Maya, hi Sarisa. Thank you so much for tuning in, ladies. Happy Wednesday. So that one, I have the green here, so I'm gonna using I forgot, I just told you what the name of it. I want to pull out the name right here so then you can see. And after that ombre, we're gonna do some crystal placements with this colors. I'm so excited. This is totally different, and I hope you're really enjoying it. If you're not enjoying now, you can enjoy it later. All right, so it looks good. Super stunning. Dust it off, and I am going to top it again. Here for 30 seconds. And this one is Basil's. I'm gonna move this one